Hi everybody, welcome to Otter HB. Happy holidays, it's almost Christmas. Today Janine and I are down in Balboa. We're going to come down to Balboa Island and go walk around the Christmas lights. It's going to be fun. Their lights are gorgeous, so join us. Let's go. So here's Balboa on a Wednesday evening. Sun's already down.
People are going out to dinner for the night.
Looks a little different during summer, doesn't it?
Well, it looks different in the summer compared to winter right now.
Yeah.
And technically it's still fall, but for us Californians, this is winter.
This is winter.
Hi everybody, we are on the Balboa ferry. We're gonna go over to the island to see the lights, but right now we get to sit on the water and relax.
So there's the island straight across from us. It'll be lit up really well here in a few. Girls team.
Even in the winter, they're still working out. That's cool.
Even in the winter.
They're still working out. They're still doing it.
No rest.
So we're out here. The sun is just setting. We took the ferry across. And now we're getting ready to take our walk and see the lights. We have Otter right here, just getting his beverage ready. Let's see your cute little cup we just bought at the Balboa Market. And then we are going to take a walk and see the amazing lights on the houses and the lights on the boat. And you can see a lot of people are having their office parties or get-togethers. So here's a nice boat going by. Some pretty lights on it.
The night's coming. Sunset's gone. And the lights are starting to stand out.
And the Ferris wheel is too. A little tip that we've noticed is if you can come midweek, it's awesome. I think it'll be a little more crowded on the weekend, but still absolutely worth the trip. We're gonna pull to the side and let me go by. I love that snowman. Yeah, you're right. Oh my God.
You gotta go out a little bit.
Sure.
Yeah, actual like just regular Christmas plate. Yeah.
How are you glad you brought your jacket?
So for my fishing friends, if we look out here, there is a public dock. I think I've seen a couple different public docks. So
yes.
Maybe we'll bring a pole over on one trip maybe and throw out some lines. How are you? Catching any?
Maybe a cold.
Yeah.
That's easy to catch.
Oh yeah.
It's a little chilly.
Good luck.
Okay,
Look at these pretty trees coming up. It looks amazing.
They look gorgeous. And I do not remember these from last year, so I think this is new. So I need to take this in. I absolutely love them. Okay, look at this. The little crabs for decorations. Those are gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna read you the title. Come on down here. Penguin Holiday Tree Decor. Welcome to the Penguins Holiday Beach Party. I am loving it. Do you see the seagull? The seagull and the crabs. Do you see them?
Where's the seagull?
Right here. You can.
Oh.
It's white. Right there's a seagull. There's crabs. There's flamingos. So creative.
It's the Christmas flamingo.
Okay, and look, the sand castles. Oh my gosh, and then we're loving it.
Isn't that great?
This looks like a sandman, not a snowman, a sandman. That's adorable. Okay, coming up is the teddy bear house. She loves teddy bears. Just a side note, this is not just for Christmas, this is year round, but the Christmas decorations are up now. Every single window has a bear in it, right? Come look. Look upstairs. Can you see inside? some of them are moving. This is gorgeous. So the Christmas bears are all out now, but in the summer, there's even summer bears.
Look at the Santa in there.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's cool.
Gorgeous.
That's cool. Okay, there's like a bear with his mouth moving. Okay, so the bear count as of right now, 5,148.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, do you see it inside?
If you look through that window, it says bear count 5,148. That, my friend, is a lot of bears. And they're not all small.
Polar bears, brown bears. Upstairs. There's people upstairs. Moving bears.
That is definitely something to see.
A lot of bears. This one has music. Anyway. That's a little nice.
Here, look at this one. Look way up on top. There's horses.
Oh, wow. You see Dave way up on top?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, look at that.
Like
See the reindeer way up there?
There's a reindeer.
Man behind magic.
Pretty stunning.
Really cool. Okay, okay.
oh, in loving memory of. Interesting.
Oh, I just remember how to have it.
Okay, I like these little white trees. Those are cute. Okay.
Look at it now.
Okay, if you want me here, we can
The mantle.
Did you get some of the boats? It's a bear.
It's a sandcastle, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a sandcastle, but it's a sand bear. I thought it was Winnie the Pooh at first.
How about a sand bear?
It's a sand bear.
Somebody took some time on that. That came out really cool. Look at the detail. So if you're looking for a holiday thing to do during December, Balboa, it's fun. It's a Christmas thing and a gorgeous walk. If you get a chance, do it. It makes for a great evening. That's just pretty. Look at the balcony up there.
And the tree up there.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Just the decorations are stunning. Even the simplest of stuff is just
Sometimes the more traditional
stunning.
ones. Like I love this traditional Christmas tree
This is Christmas.
with wreaths.
Yeah.
So that's cute.
Happy holidays, everybody. I hope everybody has a great holiday season. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed to Otter HP, please subscribe. If you enjoy my channel, give me the thumbs up. It really does support the channel. I would appreciate it. Let's continue on to a great evening. I do too.
Look at Santa Snowman. Santa Snowman.
I think that's the real Santa too.
This is where he.
See if he moves. Maybe this is where he spends.
Shh, this is where he vacations. I heard he sends the reindeer to Hawaii and he vacations there.
How's that for a big fluffy Christmas tree? That thing's huge.
Yeah, nice and full. I love it. Star on the top.
So this walk is just kind of uptown Balboa Island.
Okay, so when you walk up this street, you kind of feel like you're in the middle of a Hallmark movie. See all the little lights and That's a cute little drugstore.
This is one of the towns out of your Hallmark movie.
Doesn't it look like it? Just the little lights and the decorations. And because you're on an island, it's cold, so everyone's bundled up. So you feel like you're in a Hallmark movie. It's cute.
So we're just walking by and I noticed that Balboa Island does have a museum. So I told Janine, I go, look like, what's gonna happen?
It looks like we'll be coming back to Balboa. Here I found.
It's hard to pass up a good museum.
Okay, so I found that one.
So if this is the town in a Hallmark movie,
Yes.
then Janine and I are the happy ending at the end of a Hallmark
Okay,
movie.
You're not saying that. People will gag. Do not put that in there.
A little bit of the old school lights, some white.
I like when you can see in the houses and see their trees. Like, look at this one right here. And people sitting there enjoying it. Here's some in your house.
Look at that tree in there.
I know, that looks gorgeous.
We're gonna have to make sure we get out here before.
That's a pretty tree. That's a pretty tree way back there.
All the way to the 3rd floor.
That house is done really well.
Hi.
Your red matches.
Christmas red.
So if we look how beautiful these lights came out, I put my lights up this year and it was awesome. I had a bunch of dead strings, so I went and bought some more. And I bought some really bright LEDs. So I got color and bright LED. You look at it and go, who did that? It's just comical. I was gonna change it, but then decided to leave it.
So our lights would be the opposite of these beautiful lights that we're looking at this year. Maybe we'll give. All right, you gotta walk a little faster. I'm getting in.
That's pretty cool how that tree's lit up.
With the old school lights.
That is an old tree too.
Come on over and see the carolers. Cut across it. Come see the carolers. That's cute. With the little dog. I like the dog. That's cute. It'd be really cool if they had music playing. Hi everyone, if you remember our video this summer when we were paddleboarding and kayaking in the harbor, we went by a gorgeous house that had like a little lighthouse and a greenhouse and patios. Now look at it, all lit up.
It's stunning.
It looks so pretty.
I hope I could do this justice.
Yeah, the only way we could see it is if we hopped on our paddleboard and kayak right now and went by the front of it, which isn't gonna happen, but it looks really pretty. There's a lot going on.
Here we go. There's a whole lot. Blinking, twinkle, moving.
Okay, so remember the other house? Remember the other house? It's teddy bears. Here I'm feeling a snowman theme. Do you see it? Over here. All snowmen.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, they're all snowmen. And then that's the snow in the trees. Looks cute. They did a nice job. And it snowed last night too. It's very cute.
That's a lot of lights.
Can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Look. Cute. A lot of lights, a lot of care and effort. What is the house actually look like? That's pretty awesome. Don't you
Huh?
think? That's pretty awesome.
It is. Look at these houses. That is a lot of lights.
That is awesome. I am going to call that the peppermint house. Both of you. That looks like it's a tree in Whoville. I'm going to look for Cindy Lou Who. Every Who down in Whoville was singing a song. Okay, me with my favorite friend, Elf, because smiling's my favorite. Give us a thumbs up.
What's your favorite movie?
Elf.
Hey everybody. Hey, thanks for watching Otter HB. It's been a great night. Christmas lights on Balboa Island. It's been so much fun. Great walk, great evening. Really gets you in the Christmas holiday spirit. So if you get a chance, come on down. Don't forget, subscribe and like. Thanks everybody. Bye.
Creepy weird man. Come on.